Hello, this is a quick demonstration of Harness AI QA Assistant, and we start with our interactive test authoring tool. As you can see, this is a no-code interface that allows you to create any UI interaction step or any other kind of step by simply either interacting with your application interface or typing a natural language command. So if I wanted to add this item to our shopping cart, I don't have to write any code. I simply click on the application UI, and as we can see, the step got added. So behind the scene, we created the code required to execute the step. We executed that code to make sure that it didn't throw any errors, and we make sure that it is ready to go. Now, I can also add a natural language command, which is what we call the user intent. And that command can be used to perform an action or a validation of an application response, something that is called assertions. So if I wanted to assert if the selected item got added to the cart, I can simply ask the question, was the selected item added to the cart? That's it. And we hit enter. And our generative AI agent process that in a matter of second. It analyzed your intent behind the question. It looked at the current application state, and then it gives you very easy to understand explanation on why that assertion is true. So here it says the selected item, which is the New Balance Men, had this added label next to it, and that's why this action was performed successfully. So with all that simplicity, the e-commerce test that we are looking at earlier, automating that, now it's just a matter of typing these natural language commands or user intent. We don't have to write any complex code anymore to parse the shopping cart and identify the right item. Rather, I simply have this intent expressed here. As you can see, the no steps have been predefined, and we are basically expressing our intent to the generative AI agent. And when it runs the test, it will automatically figure out how to successfully perform that task. Similarly, again, the the step required for asserting if the cart total is sum of the prices, and if there are no errors there, we don't have to write any code. We can simply ask this question. If you go down below, this process involves filling out a shipping information form. And once again, you can see here we have provided no static instructions on how to fill out this form. The form has multiple fields. The data needs to be generated. We have not specified any of these here. And the hope is that generative AI will automatically figure out what to do here when we run the test. So now let's see it in action. So we are going to run the test now, and the test is now queued for execution. It will start running momentarily. And as you can see, the test has started running. The steps are being shown here, and you can see a full video of application response. Now, as you can see here, our generative AI agent was automatically able to figure out what the right items were. It added to the cart. It generated the steps dynamically. Now it is filling out the shipping form. Once again, it identified the form fields. It generated the data that needs to be used for filling out the shipping information form. And the test is just about to be completed, right? So this is the power of generative AI powered test automation. By using all the advances in generative AI, Harness AI QA Assistant makes test creation a breeze, eliminates a lot of frustrating maintenance, and brings a new level of human intelligence into your test automation, so that now you can create the tests that are self-evolving, that are better in quality, and you can get your automation coverage fast quickly, so that you can now deploy new releases faster and with confidence. Thank you.